Hi everyone, this is the spring floral cemetery arrangement my daughter just finished for my grandmother and granddad's cemetery monument. We bought most of the things at Hobby Lobby and Michael's and we used coupons. And what she did was she just cut the floral stems to the size she needed. You can spin it around if you want. And we bought a styrofoam square, turn it upside down a little bit, a styrofoam square to put the floral stems in, and she just covered the entire foam with the floral picks and cut them various sizes. And then I tied a deco mesh bow and I tied it in. I've made it loop around the arrangement with wire, and she is going to super glue, or hot glue, excuse me, all of the stems in because this is going to be outside. So we're going to hot glue everything so that it can withstand the wind. But these are really expensive if you go to the florist to buy these, and they can run, close to $200 if you've purchased one. So I think we have around 60 in this one, so that's not too bad. And it's really special since her great granddaughter made it for her. So I hope you like this video, and thanks so much for subscribing and watching, and we will be making more videos soon. Thank you. And we bought this saddle, I forgot to mention it, at Hobby Lobby, and I believe it was $3.99. So we're gonna use wire and attach the arrangement to this saddle, and then hopefully when the weather warms up and gets pretty, we'll go to the cemetery and secure it on. So thank you so much. If you have any questions, just let me know.